So the program I'm going to be telling you about today is Jing. Jing is a tool that lets you capture basic video, animation, and screenshots and create short videos, such as how-to videos. And you are able, or students are able to, or the teachers are able to share them on the web via email, blogs, social media, such as Twitter, Facebook, among other programs. I heard of Jing in this article by the Agricultural Education magazine, and its title is Teaching with Technology, Using What We Already Have. I recommend anyone read this article. It was really good, and it told about Jing and also a lot of other different programs that can be used in the AgEd classroom today. The hardware needed in order to use Jing in your classroom: you need the internet in order to share it among teachers and students, and also a computer, either a desktop or a laptop. So the evaluation for classroom effectiveness is that this tool, Jing, engages students in projects by how-to videos. It gives them a chance to practice public speaking skills, and also it's a good tool in order to get feedback from students and also for students to give and submit to their teachers for feedback. As far as the effectiveness for middle school and high school students, I feel that high school students and possibly middle school students would be able to pick this up pretty quickly. Probably an orientation day may be needed in like the computer lab to go through how it works, but it is very user-friendly. A couple of examples where Jing can be utilized in the agricultural classroom would be horticulture or plant science. For example, in the horticulture classroom, students can quickly create an instructional video on how to prune petunias, for example. And they can put together this how-to video from home and email it to their teachers for feedback. And another example would be in animal science, where students can put together an instructional video on how to recognize the difference between an animal cell and a plant cell, which they could also submit to their teachers, or they could also present it in front of their classmates, which I think is an excellent way to help them learn, because by teaching it, they learn it twice. There are so many other ways in which this can be utilized in the classroom. These are just a couple examples. Another great thing about this is that when you complete these videos, you can choose whether to publish them for other students to view, or if it's just for the teacher to view, so then they can give the students feedback. In conclusion, I think Jing is a great and easy way in order to implement technology into the classroom in a way that helps with students learning and presenting things they have learned. Thank you for listening to my presentation, and I hope you have a wonderful day.